Alright, time to go on a little motorbike trip. Got the bikes ready to go. Hey everyone, it's Alex here and I'm out here looking for Peach Slide Falls, which is just outside of Da Nang, and we've driven for about an hour and got to this really beautiful spot. The drive was amazing, one of the nicest drives I've done just outside of Da Nang, and we got here but we are struggling to find the actual falls because there was a lot of rain. A big storm came through, so I don't think we can actually hop down the river, which is just here, to find the actual falls.
I got it! Oh, no, it's a bit more than that. You're on the camera.
Okay, so we're gonna go a little bit further down and see if we can actually find the proper falls down there. Going on a nice stroll through the bushes.
Where are we going? I have no idea.
To hopefully the waterfall, we'll see. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Yeah, not a raging waterfall. Okay, looks like we found it. Time to get down there.
Alright, Alex, what are you going to do?
I'm going to jump off this cliff into the water.
It's about what, 50 meters high?
Something like that?
Yeah, alright.
Sweet.
Hey, good luck.
Alright.
You can do it.
So that was a fun little trip over the weekend to the waterfall, Peach Slide Waterfall, and if you want to go there yourself, the route is relatively easy. I'll leave a Google Maps pin below, and you go along a main road, and as I mentioned before, the road is beautiful to get there, and then you park on the main road and you can go one way, it's just go straight up the river. We parked a little bit before the river, and then you trek up a little bit up a path, and then when you get to the river you have to kind of hop your way down the river, and that's where we got a little bit stuck because the water levels were kind of high, but overall it was fine to get there. So yeah, I can highly recommend that one. So it's been really nice to be out and about over the last few weeks here. Obviously been on the beach, been surfing more. If you want to follow my little surf journal I'm doing on ooh, my hair's going crazy. Oh, Sang.
Hey guys, this is me and we on the beach. How are you?
Good, yeah. So that's it from me for this video. Stay tuned for more videos about life in Vietnam and teaching English out here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and I will speak to you soon in a new video. Peace.